Welcome to Home of Math. Today's topic, how to compare fractions without a calculator. We will try to know step by step. First step, take two fractions like a by b and c by d. Step 2, cross multiply each other fractions. First one, we will multiply the numerator of the first fraction and the denominator of the second. It's a product d. Second, multiply the numerator of the second fraction by the denominator of the first fraction, c times b. Now we will compare each fraction, and the result is, if a times d greater than c times b, then a by b fraction is greater than c by d fraction. Another thing, if a times d less than c times b, then a by b fraction less than c by d. And finally, if the product of each multiplication is equal, then the fractions are also equal. Thank you. This is the easiest way to compare fractions without a calculator. Thank you very much. If you think this video is helping you, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.